welcome to PYP for today. Let's start off by talking about our target. Our target today says, I can discover the basic needs of all organisms. I will show this by defining the word organism, identifying all organisms' basic needs, defining each basic need, and showing my hard work on Seesaw. So the target is telling you what's going to be happening today, the big picture. These little check boxes here are telling you how you're going to get this done. So today, materials, you need a notebook. Any kind of notebook will do just fine. I just have a plain lined notebook here. Anything you've got is totally fine. Your notebook. You need your week 1 packet. You will need, let me get to it. This page, basic needs. Okay, you need this. This is the same thing, but I scribbled it out. You just need the bottom part. You will need a pair of scissors, and you will need some glue. If you don't have glue, you can use some tape. Either is just fine. So before you continue, make sure you have those things. I almost forgot. You will also need a pencil. Okay. So go ahead and go get all those things, and we can start talking about the basic needs of all organisms.